Hey, this is Gabe. Welcome back to another video. This is my outside gate right here, and it's starting to sag a little bit because of the weight. So this is the inside view, and you can see the gap right there on top. If I go down to the bottom, you can see that it's nice and tight where it should be. So progressively going back up, you can see that gap is just a little bit wider. Same view from the other side. On top, it's wide. All the way down, nice and tight on the bottom where I want it. So what that's causing is the strike plate right here, this is not hitting correctly. So I have to lift up in order for that to get caught in place or to latch correctly. A couple simple fixes. Easiest thing to do is to take this apart right here. First check, and you can see that these have backed out a little bit over time. So these are 3-inch long screws, so I know it's not that they're too short. So the easiest thing to do is we're going to jam the hole with a toothpick. Okay, I've got a little ball peen hammer, a half a dozen toothpicks. Just going to unscrew these. These are Torx head screws. So you can see those are nice and long. Make sure that's seated all the way in. The gap's still a little big. It's bigger than the bottom, but that's latching correctly. So from the outside, you can see that that is better, top to bottom. Strike plate, it's good, it's on the money, but I still want that to be pulled in a little bit tighter right here. So I want to pull out another little trick. So this is the second trick that I was talking about. See how that gap right there is a little bit wide? That should be a little bit more flush. And if you kind of look at it, you can see it's sort of slightly bent. So we want to try and tighten that gap as close as we can to right here together. So that's why I ended up taking it off. I'm going to put it in the vise and then squeeze that vise and then see if I can pull it together. Okay, so I just want to pop this in. Squeeze that, and automatically as I'm squeezing, you can see that these are no longer in alignment. So we're going to get to that part in just a second. And if I squeeze this way, not much has changed. It's a little bit better. So we're going to take the pin out. This time I want to, instead of dropping it all the way down, what I want to do is I want to leave that up a little bit higher. That's exaggerated. If I release the tension on that, that will pop out relatively easily. Okay, now with that pin removed, and this squeezed together here, you can see how of alignment that is. So I'm just going to take a pair of channel locks and then just bend that back in place. Easier said than done, but it does work. Okay, now with those in a little better alignment, that looks a lot better. And you can see that gap is nice and closed on both sides. We can reinsert that pin. And we'll reattach that to the gate. All right, as you can see, that looks so much better on top. This is where the hinge is. And it looks about the same all the way top to bottom now. This is the outside view. That's the top. Nice and tight. All the way to the bottom. And along the strike plate, that is lining up even better. So those are a couple tips you can use to fix a sagging gate with those type of hinges. You can do the same thing with a door, interior door, exterior door. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. And please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, this is Gabriel Castro. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. You can click on the link right here and subscribe. You can watch a video series right here or the latest video right here.